We're gonna be seeing which one sounds better, axle dumped or not axle dumped out the side of the truck. Which one sounds better? I'm gonna be actually doing some driving by tests for you guys and actually some stationary tests. You guys just revving the truck first. So we're gonna be revving the truck a little bit and then we're also gonna be doing some other tests with it in front of the truck and behind the truck, what it sounds like. Let's see if the axle dump sounds better or the turbo back out the side sounds better. That was outside the cab of the axle dump and the turbo bag comparison. Let me know what you guys think the sound test, which one sounded better outside the cab, the axle dump or the back out of the side. Right now, we're actually gonna be doing some driving around for you guys as well, inside the cab, windows up and windows down. So stay tuned here, axle dumped. You guys, windows up. Sounds pretty good. All right, guys. Windows down now. Windows up, windows down, windows all around. I don't know if she's waving at me or... All right, so as you guys just heard there, that was the outside the cab. Now we're gonna do some inside the cab of the turbo back. Also guys, first thing I noticed while I was going back and forth here was that inside the cab was so much quieter when I was going back and forth versus the axle dump. The axle dump is so much louder when it's inside the cab because I've been running the axle dump now for probably about 3,000-4,000 miles, and I do have to say it's a lot louder inside the cab. There's a lot deeper drone, and it honestly sounds like something's going wrong with the truck when I do have the axle dump on. Let's do some driving around here for you guys with the turbo back out the side. So I'm gonna be doing some windows up right here, and then we'll do windows down on the way back. honest opinion, guys, I do like the turbo back out to the side a little bit more. It's just a lot quieter inside the cab, and I can actually see all the coal that I roll a lot better through the window, and I do like it a little bit more. But let's do some windows down now for you guys. Windows down. That was the sound comparison between out the back and axle dump, guys. Me personally, I like the out the side just because it's not as loud in the cab, and also I can see the coal rolled outside through my mirror, but that's just me personally. Let me know down in the comments below which one you guys like the best. That'll be it for this one. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe down below. If you like badass truck content like myself, there'll be more up here or down there, and peace out, guys.